to get busy, such a lot to do. Build it and fix it till it's good as new. Bob and the gang have so much fun. Working together, they get the job done. Can we build it? Yeah!